If your sugar cravings hit hard in the afternoon and you find yourself feeling out of control around snacks, this is going to be the video for you. My name is Melissa. I make videos helping people out along their weight loss journey, and we use science-based research to get the job done. So if that all sounds good to you, stick around. I'm going to show you how to make up this sugar craving canceling drink that is whips up in 30 seconds, and you are no longer going to be having those urges to reach for the company donut. Let's check it out. All right, so continuing on in our apple cider vinegar with the mother series, we're going to make up this sugar craving blasting drink today. Like you know, I'm sharing 6, 7, possibly 8 different videos that are targeting specific things that we are struggling with and how to incorporate apple cider vinegar, what time of day, and how it's going to help you reduce the inflammation that's been building up inside of your body and get that digestion moving. So for this one, go ahead and shake up the apple cider vinegar with the mother. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons into the magic bullet. And next I add in a 1/4 cup of my blueberries. Now you might be wondering, what is it that the fruit is doing? Well, the fruit obviously is satisfying the sweet tooth because it's not going to go anywhere. But there's different fruits that have higher antioxidant levels and are better for the good gut bacteria that you want to be adding into your body. And raspberries, blueberries, blackberries are at the top of the list. So 1/4 cup of the berries in there of your choice. And then I want you to get on board with this. This is such a great way to start incorporating kefir, a fermented probiotic food, into your body. Just put a splash in. Start to get your body used to having kefir come down the pipeline, and I am telling you, you will never look back. You will start adding this into your smoothies. You'll start adding it into your coffee. You'll start adding it into your Greek yogurt, blends and concoctions, yogurt bowls. And then from there, we are just going to fill the rest up with water. So once you've filled it with water, give it a little bit of a shake. You want at least 8 ounces of water in there. And then we're going to blend that up, and you are going to see what we made. All right, so once it's nice and blended, you'll be able to tell because all of those little bits will be nice and smooth. Look at that. Here we go. All we have to do is stick in our straw because we want to fight against that acidity. And all of these apple cider vinegar with the mother drinks really are that easy, guys. You just have to be intentional, prioritize your weight loss. I love this one mid-afternoon because for me, that's when I crave sugar the most. So if you're trying to build diversity and create that great gut microbiome that is going to get you the weight loss results that you want, start being intentional to add in all of my apple cider vinegar with the mother drinks into your daily routine. This is a great one. Especially us as women, certain times of the month, sometimes we have stronger sugar cravings than others. So I know it definitely isn't the chocolate bar, it isn't the Snickers or the Kit Kat, but it is going to appease that sweet tooth that is going on in your body. You're creating the micro habit to be intentional and prioritize your weight loss, and you're actually going to see the long-term sustainable results. Like I said, my name is Melissa with Healthy Days. If you're enjoying these videos, please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel and share them with anybody else that you know that might benefit from adding this in to their daily or weekly meal plan. And I will see you in the next one.